Good morning. I'm here to garden. I'm gonna harvest some lettuce for lunchtime. I'm gonna cut just a few leaves because they are still small. So I'm gonna go to the base of the plant and trim little leaves. There's nothing more rewarding than having fresh salad from your garden, and lettuce doesn't take much care or attention, so and they grow perfectly well. This is a very shady area in our garden, so you should be okay with 4 hours of sun. Plus, if you get that conditions in your garden, you're lucky, because during the summer, which it is when it's the trickiest to grow lettuce, you will be harvesting a lot. Look at our bok choys, they are looking great. Doing good also. This bigger leaves, because lettuce will keep giving you leaves as they grow. Look, I think that's a beneficial insect. That's wonderful to see. Wow, I'm so happy. I think that's a brown lacewing, and I'm so happy to see them around. We don't apply anything into our crops. I just try to vary intercropping as much as possible. Those are radishes. We can have a few of these flowers for our salad. Let's cut that, add that, and I'm gonna look for some borage flowers as well, that they grow widely here. I never touch them, and every year they reseed. Just a few of them to give a little nice cucumber flavor. I'm gonna cut this big one, and as I was saying, lettuce will keep giving you new leaves. So the more you cut them, it's like a haircut. It will keep growing stronger. And the last place we're visiting now is our little cold frame, where we get the lettuce we replanted from scrap. If you didn't see that, you can go to YouTube, BayAreaKitchenGardens.com, and see how we did to save it and reuse it. Hard to work with one hand. And look, we are getting a super nice salad here for today. Flowers. And that'll be enough for today. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our newsletter, and you will get a free download guide on how to start growing your crops from seeds. Thanks for watching. See you.